You'll never hear this from a dealership, but some SUVs are built to last twice as long with half the repair bills. And if you pick the wrong one, you're locked into years of surprise breakdowns, overpriced warranties, and sky-high insurance premiums. I've spent years in the shop, fixing both the winners and the disasters. And in this video, I'm breaking down the 10 SUVs that'll save you thousands in ownership costs. The same model's real-world drivers are keeping well past 250,000 miles. Some of these come with 10-year warranties. Others hold resale value better than luxury brands. So stick around until the end, because SUV number 1 might be the smartest financial decision you ever make. Acura MDX. Built by Honda's luxury division, the Acura MDX delivers long-term reliability that often beats German rivals, and it does it for a fraction of the ownership cost. Despite its size and features, RepairPal estimates just $590 per year in repairs, well below average for mid-size luxury SUVs. Owners routinely praise the MDX for minimal issues with major components like the engine, transmission, and suspension, even beyond 150,000 miles. Its mechanical simplicity and shared components with other Honda models make it cheaper and easier to repair than complex European competitors. And with a 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, you're well covered up front, while most MDXs stay reliable far beyond that. If you want premium comfort without premium headaches, the MDX is one of the most trusted options on the road today. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross might just be the most worry-free compact SUV you can buy in 2025. Starting around $23,000 and topping out near $30,000, it combines affordability with Toyota's proven long-term durability. RepairPal estimates the annual maintenance cost at just $450, which is significantly lower than the segment average. What makes it stand out? Owners routinely pass 200,000 miles with only routine servicing. It ranks in the top quartile for reliability according to both Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, and it benefits from Toyota's vast U.S. service network, which keeps repair costs low and parts easy to find. With a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, it's backed by coverage that most buyers never need to fully use, because this SUV rarely breaks. For daily driving or long-term ownership, the Corolla Cross is a quiet champion that delivers exactly what most drivers want: low costs, high mileage, and zero drama. Hyundai Tucson. If you're planning to keep your SUV for the long haul, the Hyundai Tucson is one of the most strategic choices on the market in 2025. With a starting price around $27,000 and top trims near $38,000, it's priced competitively. But where it really shines is long-term ownership peace of mind. Backed by an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the Tucson gives you more factory protection than almost any other SUV in its class. It's not just the warranty, though. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is just $490, which is well below the compact SUV average. And newer Tucson models, especially those with the naturally aspirated or hybrid powertrains, have a strong track record of avoiding common high-mileage issues like oil leaks, transmission slippage, or electrical system failures. Hyundai's focus on engineering simplified, reliable drivetrains pays off here. Whether you choose gas or hybrid, the Tucson is designed for durability, without the repair drama that often plagues more complex systems. Reliability studies from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports consistently rank the Tucson among the top in predicted dependability, and Hyundai's growing U.S. dealership network ensures easy access to service and affordable parts nationwide. If you want a compact SUV with long warranty coverage, hybrid-ready simplicity, and low long-term repair risk, the Tucson checks every box, and then some. Subaru Outback. If you need an SUV that can handle snow, rough terrain, and long daily commutes without becoming a financial burden, the Subaru Outback is hard to beat. Starting around $30,000 and topping out near $40,000, it offers the rugged capability of a larger SUV with the efficiency of a crossover. And with standard all-wheel drive, it's built for real-world conditions, especially in colder climates where traction matters. What's surprising, though, is the cost of ownership. RepairPal estimates the average annual repair bill at just $600, which is highly competitive given the Outback's size and AWD system. Unlike many AWD vehicles, the Outback doesn't come with sky-high maintenance costs. Owners regularly report reaching 200,000+ miles with minimal major repairs. Key components like the engine, transmission, and suspension often stay strong past 150,000 miles, as long as routine maintenance is followed. It also performs well in Consumer Reports and J.D. Power reliability rankings, and its reputation for durability translates into high resale value, even after years of use. With a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, the Outback is protected early on, but most owners rarely rely on it. For drivers who face tough weather, long drives, or just want an SUV that keeps going without breaking the bank, the Outback is one of the most dependable midsize options available. Toyota 4Runner. If you want an SUV that handles rocky trails on the weekend and still cruises to work without rattling your teeth out, the Toyota 4Runner is the answer, and it's been proving that for decades. With a starting price around $42,200 for the SR5 and high trims reaching into the mid-50,000s, the 4Runner isn't cheap, but what you get is one of the most proven, low-risk ownership experiences on the road. According to RepairPal, the average annual repair cost is just $514, which is shockingly low for a body-on-frame SUV with real off-road capability. And reliability, it's earned a 4.0 out of 5, and regularly goes 250,000 to 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. What keeps it so bulletproof? A time-tested 4.0-liter V6, a simple 5-speed automatic, and no fragile turbochargers or overcomplicated electronics. Toyota built it to last, and it does. You're covered with Toyota's standard 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, though most owners will tell you it rarely needs anything beyond oil, brakes, and tires. And here's where it really shines: off-road chops without insurance penalties. Thanks to solid safety scores and low claims history, the 4Runner tends to cost less to insure than other rugged SUVs in its class. Plus, it holds value like few others, with resale figures topping 60% of MSRP after 5 years. Lexus NX. If you want a luxury SUV that doesn't punish you with constant repairs or sky-high ownership costs, the Lexus NX is one of the most dependable choices you can make in 2025. Starting around $42,000 and climbing to nearly $55,000 for top trims and hybrid models, the NX delivers premium features, but without the premium repair bills. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is just $570. That's rare in the luxury segment, where similar vehicles often cost double to maintain. The secret? Toyota DNA. The NX shares its core mechanical components, electronics, and hybrid systems with Toyota's most reliable platforms, which means fewer part failures, better long-term reliability, and predictable servicing even beyond the warranty. And speaking of warranty, Lexus offers a solid 4-year 50,000-mile basic warranty and 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain coverage. But many NX owners report driving well beyond those limits with minimal issues, especially with the hybrid versions, which are engineered for simplicity and longevity. Another major advantage is Lexus's extensive U.S. dealer network, known for high customer satisfaction and fast, efficient service. That translates to lower labor costs and quick access to parts, no long wait times or inflated luxury repair rates. Honda Pilot. If you need a spacious SUV that seats up to 8, but you're not looking to fund your mechanic's next vacation, the Honda Pilot is one of the best family-friendly options out there. With a starting MSRP of around $41,650 for the Sport trim and the Black Edition pushing $56,000, the Pilot isn't cheap, but it's far more affordable to own than most 3-row competitors. According to RepairPal, the average annual repair cost is just $542, which is impressive for a vehicle of its size. Under the hood, it's powered by a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 paired with a simple 10-speed automatic transmission, a combination that's proven to be smooth, durable, and easy to maintain over the long haul. Owners frequently report 200,000+ miles with little more than routine maintenance. Despite a 3.5 out of 5 reliability rating from RepairPal, real-world performance tells a better story. Minimal drivetrain issues, strong resale value, and wide parts availability thanks to Honda's massive US dealer network. The Pilot is backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, and extended warranties on Hondas typically cost 15 to 20% less than similar plans from GM or Ford, making it a smarter long-term investment. Mazda CX-5. If you want an SUV that looks and feels like a luxury vehicle but won't punish you with luxury repair costs, the Mazda CX-5 is one of the best-kept secrets in the compact SUV market. Starting at around $29,000 and topping out near $40,000 for high-end trims, the CX-5 brings upscale styling, refined interiors, and precise handling without the high price tag or maintenance headaches. What makes it stand out? According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is just $500, making it one of the most affordable compact SUVs to own over the long haul. And it's not just cheap to maintain, it's built to last. Under the hood, the CX-5 runs Mazda's proven Skyactiv engines, a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter or a turbocharged variant, both engineered for long-term durability. Owners regularly pass 200,000 miles with basic upkeep, and the model has an excellent track record for avoiding issues like transmission failures, oil consumption, or electronic glitches, problems that plague many of its competitors. It consistently earns high reliability scores from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, and thanks to its widespread parts availability and straightforward design, even out-of-warranty repairs stay budget-friendly. Mazda backs it with a standard 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, though most drivers find they rarely have to use it. Lexus GX. If you want a luxury SUV that can crawl through mud on Sunday and still turn heads on Monday, the Lexus GX might be the most underrated option on the road. Starting at $66,185 for the 2025 GX 550 Premium, it's not cheap up front, but what you're paying for is true long-term value, not a short-term thrill ride. Underneath the plush interior, the GX is built on the same rugged platform as Toyota's global Land Cruiser. It now features a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with full-time 4-wheel drive and a proven transfer case, designed for low-stress torque delivery and mechanical durability over the long haul. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is just $770, which is outstanding for a luxury SUV with real off-road chops. Many owners report passing 250,000 miles with minimal repairs, and because it shares drivetrain components with other Toyota platforms, parts are readily available and relatively affordable compared to European rivals. It's backed by Lexus's 4-year 50,000-mile basic warranty and 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain coverage, but longtime GX drivers will tell you most never need to touch that coverage. Honda CR-V. If you're looking for the most reliable, cost-effective SUV in America, the Honda CR-V is hard to beat, and it's not just a fan favorite, it's a data-backed workhorse. With a starting price around $31,000 and fully loaded hybrid trims pushing just under $42,000, the CR-V delivers top-tier value from day one. But what really makes it stand out is what happens after the sale. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is just $410, the lowest in the entire compact SUV segment. That means fewer unexpected bills and more money in your pocket over time. And it's built to last. CR-V owners commonly log over 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Honda's naturally aspirated engines, smooth CVT, and well-tested hybrid systems are designed for durability, not drama. This SUV also holds its value better than nearly any of its competitors. Year after year, the CR-V earns top marks from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, and resale values consistently outperform most other compact crossovers. You're covered by Honda's 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, but many owners never touch them. And because Honda has one of the largest and most affordable service networks in the US, finding parts and qualified mechanics is never an issue. If you're after low ownership costs, long-term dependability, and high resale value, the Honda CR-V remains one of the smartest SUV choices, especially in hybrid trims, which add fuel savings without sacrificing reliability. If you want to drive for the next 10 to 15 years, without drowning in repair bills. These are the SUVs to bet on. They're reliable, affordable to maintain, and built to last well past 200,000 miles. No drama, no dealership traps. So before you sign that loan or lease, take a second look at this list. It could save you thousands. Like the video, subscribe, and share this with someone car shopping. The right SUV doesn't just get you there, it keeps you out of the shop. Now, if you're still with me, here's where it gets even better. Choosing the right SUV is just one part of driving worry-free. But what if I told you there are hidden car ownership traps most drivers never see coming, even after buying the right vehicle? I'm talking about insurance premiums that spike for no reason, warranty scams, and even new tech features quietly killing long-term reliability. So before you hand over the keys, here are 5 insider tips every smart car owner in the US should know. These could save you thousands in repairs, coverage costs, and long-term headaches. 1. Extended warranties. Dealer markup is often 100% plus. Most people don't know this. When you're offered an extended warranty at the dealership, the price can be marked up by 100% or more. That same official plan is often sold by third-party administrators like Zurich, Ally, or even Toyota Financial Partners for half the cost, directly online. And here's the kicker: some states legally require warranty refundability if you cancel early. But dealerships rarely volunteer that info. Tip: always get the actual warranty provider name, look it up yourself, and compare direct pricing before saying yes. 2. Insurance rates are now tied to your vehicle's repair complexity, not just safety. Everyone assumes safer, cheaper insurance. Not anymore. Insurers are increasingly pricing policies based on parts complexity, repair turnaround, and electrical risk. For example, a Subaru Forester is often cheaper to insure than a Tesla Model Y, even with better safety scores, because of EV-specific repair delays and parts availability. Vehicles with active grille shutters or radar-based sensors in bumpers, like many luxury models, can see 30 to 50% higher insurance premiums due to higher collision repair costs. Tip: always check real insurance quotes for the specific trim you're considering. Even small equipment changes, like a panoramic roof or hybrid system, can increase premiums. 3. CVTs are quietly ruining long-term reliability for some brands. Continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, help with fuel economy, but some are proving costly and unreliable after 100,000 miles. Common CVT problem areas: Nissan, Altima, Rogue, Sentra. Known for CVT overheating and belt failures. Subaru, better tuned, but older models, pre-2018, had valve body and clutch issues. Toyota, Lexus. Their direct shift CVT is more robust, uses fixed first gear before engaging the belt system. Tip: if you're keeping a car long-term, stick with traditional automatics or Toyota's hybrid eCVT, which uses planetary gears, far more durable. 4. Hybrid batteries are not the biggest repair risk. Inverters and cooling systems are. Everyone worries about the hybrid battery, but modern packs, like in the Prius, RAV4 Hybrid or CR-V Hybrid, often last 150,000 to 200,000 plus miles. What fails more often? Inverters, which convert DC to AC, can cost $2,000 to $3,000 to replace cooling fans or fluid systems for the battery. When clogged or neglected, they overheat the system and cause total shutdown. Tip: keep your hybrid's cooling system clean, use OEM inverter fluid, and don't skip diagnostics. Small signs like fan noise or slow startup can indicate a deeper problem. 5. Depreciation on EVs and luxury hybrids is crippling, even after just 1 year. Electric vehicles and high-end hybrids like the Audi Q5e, BMW X5 45e, Mercedes EQ models are losing 35 to 50% of value in 12 to 24 months. Most drivers focus on what to buy, but the real savings come from knowing how to own. Whether it's avoiding overpriced warranties, sidestepping insurance traps, or understanding what really fails in modern vehicles, the more you know, the less you pay. And now, you're ahead of the game. These aren't things dealerships or salespeople will tell you, but they're exactly what separates smart car owners from the ones stuck paying for mistakes later. If this helped you, do me a favor, like, subscribe, And share this with someone buying a car right now, because the best way to drive stress-free is to drive informed.